Now I have received my muddy water camera support from Hunter's Friend in Europe. Well packed, a box in a box. The muddy water camera arm is about 24 inches long. And this is the arm itself. Extended, it's 24 inches. Next bag is the tree mount. It consists of a base plate and a strap. Plus for the band, it is really strong and very long. Negative point is that the ratchet is making a lot of noise when you are tightening it. Next thing is the swivel head with locking arm and the attachment for the camera. And of course, a muddy water sticker. And of course, I read the instructions thoroughly. Mount the lever in the swivel head. Mount the holder for the swivel head with the bolt and a small threaded plate. The plate is made for locking the bolt in place. Mount the holder for the swivel head up in, if you look at the text in the arm, it should be mounted up from that one. You don't really need any tools, it's enough with hand power. After the bolt is mounted with the little plate, screw on the head. Now the arm is completely assembled. Now we just need to mount a little plate onto the camera for the quick coupling. The plate is a kind of quick coupling that is mounted to the camera, and we just need to open a small lever and attach the camera to the plate. There is no tools needed for it, and the camera is really sturdy when mounted. The movement of the arm is really smooth and it don't slide away when you leave it, it stays where it should. The quick release is mounted with a screw in the camera, and there is also a pin to keep it straight. Attach the quick support on the camera. Well, now it's time to take it out and test it. It's 9 o'clock in the morning and I have already scared off a couple of deer. First I mount the support plate on the tree. The band is attached with a loop onto the plate, so you don't need to pull out the band from the ratchet. Even though I try to tighten it really carefully, the ratchet makes a lot of noise and that scares away the animals. When the support plate is attached to the tree, it's just to take the arm and hook it up to the support plate. It's quick and easy. It's really stable and it moves smoothly, and it is just enough torque to make it stay in the place. Then it's just to hook the camera into the quick support with the lever, and it works really nice. I turn the camera on and swivel it a little bit. It stays where you leave it, and it's really smooth and no shaking. It's quite good. Of course the camera shouldn't be mounted this high, but I just did it for the ease of mounting and checking it out. On the support plate there is an adjustment screw to adjust the level of the arm. There is also a water level to check that you got it fairly correct. This is the little video I shot from when the camera was mounted high. It moves quite smooth and there is no shaking. When you are using the zoom, you can really hold it stable. This should work really well. Here the camera is mounted a little bit lower when I'm sitting with the gun and waiting for a deer, and it's really smooth and easy to handle.